Welcome to Legacy Voice Studio.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix common grammar mistakes in English. Many beginners make small grammar mistakes while speaking, but don't worry. If you learn these corrections, your English will become clearer and more confident. Let's start. The first sentence is, he go to school every day. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he goes to school every day. When we talk about he, she, or it in the present tense, we add s to the verb. The second sentence is, she don't like coffee. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, she doesn't like coffee. With he, she, and it, we use doesn't, not don't. The third sentence is, I am go to market. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I am going to the market. We use going when we talk about something happening now or soon. The fourth sentence is, he have a car. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he has a car. For he, she, and it, we use has, not have. The fifth sentence is, she very happy today. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, she is very happy today. In English, we must use is, am, or are with adjectives. The sixth sentence is, I didn't went to school yesterday. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I didn't go to school yesterday. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. The seventh sentence is, where you are going. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, where are you going? In questions, the helping verb comes before the subject. The eighth sentence is, she have finished her work. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, she has finished her work. The ninth sentence is, there is many students in the class. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, there are many students in the class. The 10th sentence is, I am agree with you. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I agree with you. These are some common grammar mistakes that many people make while speaking English. If you practice the correct sentences daily, your English will improve quickly. Thank you for watching and keep learning spoken English.
Do subscribe to Legacy Voice Studio.